I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my soul. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm trying yesterday.
That cut, as you guys have seen. Now I'm on to just start it again, that same level that I was doing, but yeah, just back at the start. Pretty good loam I'm into now, so always chucking this up the top end. It's another day, another productive day, well, hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, so all these loads will be going up the top until the material changes, please boys.
Today's low for stuff, or let's go to that top shore side?
Just up that loam, up in that top corner, please, we mentioned it when it is.
Sweet.
Stuff, and I'm swinging out quite far. I'll change where I'm sitting in a second so I can get a little bit closer to the boys. Just stretching a little bit too far, I thought I'd like to. Yeah, big buckets too. A little bit. see and hear, I'm in the bloody Dozer. Bloody loud, pushing a bit of material here.